loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla and I'm here with Haruki today. We're going to Icon Park to film a dance video. I'm super excited because I haven't really shown my dancing online in a really long time, and specifically the type of dancing that I like the most. So I'm really excited. I've never really put myself out there like that dancing, other than like TikTok dances, but this is something that I like choreograph, so it's a lot different. It's hip-hop. I'm super excited, and it's to the song called Too Much by Russ. I can't put that in today's video because I'll get copyrighted, but if you do want to go watch it, it will be over on my Instagram. Also, I'm bringing out the GoPro today. I haven't used this thing in probably 2 years, which is crazy, but I'm using this for time lapses for vlogs now instead of my phone. That wheel right there is kind of what I want to get in the shot, hopefully. I'm hoping the lighting is good there, and also hoping that we don't get kicked out of the parking garage because Haruki did one time. Just for doing nothing. He was sitting in the car doing nothing. The guy was like, you need to go down and go to the park or something.
The reason why is because there's a bunch of kids racing around in that parking lot, because this parking lot, it looks perfect for racing and drifting inside, where you see like Tokyo Drift, the movie from Tokyo Drift, the drifting car inside the parking lot. That's exactly what it looks like. That's why the security came after and told me to go somewhere. Like, I don't think there's any signs that you can't film, so I think it's fine. I think we'll be all right. But this parking garage is great because there's not a lot of cars up there, and I like when we went up there, I'm like, wow, this would be perfect to film a dance video. So that's where we're going, and hopefully it goes well. I'm also going to try to get this done like as soon as possible, like as soon as I possibly can, because I know it's 84 degrees outside, and this is my outfit. I'm wearing sweatpants and I'm gonna be sweating so bad. So we're gonna take a couple pictures first just to get the cover photo for the reel. We're gonna shoot the dance video, but I really hope I can get it done within a couple tries. I think I can, since I'm pretty confident it's my choreography, so I shouldn't have a problem filming it, hopefully. It's gonna be sweaty because when I was dancing inside I was getting sweaty, so I can only imagine what it's gonna be like in Florida weather. So let's go. Okay, this is the view that we're trying to get, so I'm probably gonna be dancing like right over there and get this view. I think that either way we can film this way, or we can film I would film diagonally, yeah, it's pretty windy. This is what I was worried about. One thing I hate about like dancing outside is the wind just covers my face, and I really don't like that. So I might just have to put all of my hair up, which I don't want to do because I already did my hair today, but it might come to that point. My hair is all over the place. This is the outfit from White Fox. Got these orange sweats, this top, I think it says, what does it say? This is not a dream. And then I got my Nikes on. These pants like shrunk though. They used to be a lot more baggy. I did put them in the wash, but I didn't put them in the dryer, and they must have shrunk in the wash. So that kind of sucks. Like now when I lift my leg up, they're like high waters. We're gonna take some photos for the cover photo, and then we're gonna take the video. Luckily, since I'll be facing this way, my hair kind of blows behind me, so that's better than in my face. But when you go to high up places, there's gonna be wind regardless. So I love the background of this. Haruki is just setting up camera. This is what it looks like. It looks a little funny, but what we gotta do when it's just the two of us. So like, if you guys didn't know, this is a camera as well for the behind the scenes. This can actually like show him while he's filming, even though it's all the way over here. It's 360 camera, so it'll show him while he's filming it. And that's what he's doing on his channel today. It's like behind the scenes of social media influencer. Kind of what I'm doing too, actually. It looks so like weird. Like I never see people do this other than us. We're gonna film now. We already took the photos. So hot. Yeah.
That's not bad. Okay, when I go like this, because I don't really feel like putting anything in, so when I go like this, the end of it, like, on the last, can you just go over? Okay, this might be the last time, actually. You missed it. But that's fine though. It doesn't have to be. Ooh, shit. Might be it. Holy crap. We did 2 takes and they both look super good. I haven't seen myself dance in so long. In the mirror, yeah, but I'm gonna turn this AC on. I'm so sorry. I have to talk loud because the AC's on. But when I said that we were only gonna do a couple takes, I kind of didn't believe myself because like that's just not me. But like we literally did a couple takes and got it, I think. I think because it's my own choreography, I didn't really have to learn anything. I just made it up myself. We're gonna watch it right now. Okay, yeah, so we just went over the footage and I don't know which one to choose because they're all like pretty good, honestly. I'm surprised that we got them done in just 3 shots. Honestly, the first one was good enough as it was, but we were like, we're here, might as well like take more. The third one was like a lower angle, so I'm gonna see how I like that on the computer because we're just looking at it on a tiny screen now. Haruki's packing up. Struggling, packing up. Oh my gosh, I'm like really surprised that we got it done really quickly. I felt like kind of pressured because I'm like, oh, someone's gonna come up here and tell us to get out. So I felt pressured to like make it good. And also it just started raining.
Oh, really?
Perfect timing. Literally just started raining. We got it just in time. Yeah, there's a big storm cloud coming in over there.
That's probably why my head hurts today.
Probably. Wanna kaswita.
Ouch. What do you want?
Wakarimasen.
I don't know either.
Maybe like Starbucks, I'm not sure. They don't have a Starbucks here. Last time we got something here, it was terrible. I'm so excited for this video to go up. I might post it tonight since it's like Friday night, I don't know. But I'm really excited and I've already started choreography on my next dance. So the next one is gonna be more of like a sexy like jazz dance. The best dances like I can do. I'm the best at hip hop and I'm the best at jazz, but jazz I might be a little bit better at, like more like sexy chair dancing, like stuff like that. The amount of joy dance brings me, and to think that I have not danced in so long and connected with my inner child is insane. Can't make up for lost time, you can only move forward. So I was missing a part of myself for a really long time. I haven't choreographed anything in about 2 years since I choreographed out the dance studio I worked out, then COVID hit and it closed.
I think I liked the last one.
Yeah, it was perfect timing, honestly.
I think the first one, second one is a little bit far.
I'm sweating. Do you guys see this like on my shirt? Like if I press down, you're gonna see like chest sweat. And I only did like 3 times, but it's 87 degrees right now and it's 333. The fact that I pointed the camera there at 333 and 4%. Wow, the angel numbers are really out today. My back is sweaty. I need to get something to eat. I only ate toast today. I was about to say, if you lost that Louis Vuitton wallet with all of your cards in it, that'd be so bad. I got a venti pink drink. I normally get a grande size. Well, I used to get ventis and now I normally get grande, but like I'm so thirsty and I'm running out of water. We got a chocolate croissant and I got a bacon Gouda. I'm so hungry. I love these sandwiches. They're so good. Haruki's about to film for his sponsorship, so I'm gonna cut this and I guess we're gonna move the car. We're gonna eat this and then we're probably gonna head home. It's so funny. Haruki has his camera upside down right now.
That's how I do it.
That he can't put it up because the windshield is too high, like
and
for
the
his
mic,
tripod.
and I have a mic up there, so it sucks that it's covering the mic here.
Florida traffic for you at rush hour. Luckily, it's not as bad as it normally is. Hopefully, we can get home without that much traffic. Ooh, traffic.
Yeah, this one has so much traffic.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I was downstairs for a little bit editing with Haruki. I was editing my Jollibee video. It'll come out before this video, but the dance video is done. I just have to upload it on Instagram and TikTok. I don't really use TikTok anymore, but I guess I'll upload it on TikTok. I have like 6 different TikTok accounts, honestly. Probably 6? Yeah. Let me count, actually. Let me see. How many TikTok accounts do I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 5, actually. And one of them got banned. Or did 2 of them get banned? I don't remember. I think just 1. But I started a new TikTok. I have 0 followers, 1 video, and 23 likes. I don't know. I just don't really care about TikTok very much. I'm not really on the app, so maybe that'll change. I wish I liked it, but I don't know. I'm just not into it. But I'll probably post it on there too. Maybe it'll be like a dance account. I don't know. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. There's like a bunch of pictures here. I think I might post these on like my Instagram subscriber thing, because I don't really post on there, but I normally do more stories, but I might create a post of like the behind the scenes and stuff. So there's like a couple different ones that are good. Like I like this one. I like the way I danced in this one. I like the angle of this one a little bit more. Like it just looked, the way he filmed it looks better, but then the way I danced in this one looks better. And this was the second round. It's a good thing that we didn't stop filming the first time around because I was really overexposed and my skin was like glowing, reflective of the sun. It just looked bad. So the second and third were the best. I'm still trying to figure out which one I should upload, but I'm kind of leaning towards the one where I danced better. The third one was good, but it's just, there was one move that I kind of like didn't do the way I wanted to. However, nobody would really know because it's my choreography, but at the same time, like I want it to look the best it can. I think I might upload the second one. I'm about to post it. I didn't really have like the best cover photo. I just used something from the video. I didn't really get like a good photo from the iPhone. I feel like I should have matched the quality, but share. There it is. All right, guys, we're about to head to the gym. It's about, what time is it? 11:20 at night. It's been a really long day. This is really bad lighting, but I'm gonna end the video here. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.